So we start out today's video with this amazing bold hair color transformation. She has some grown out color here, kind of dull looking hair. So she's going to be getting some bold red for this transformation. Wow. And that is like the perfect color red for her complexion. She looks absolutely radiant. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas, options that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with hair just past the shoulders, about mid-length or so. Stylist places the hair into 3 ponytails and cuts it off. Oh, so she went with a longer pixie style and she went brunette. Wow. What a transformation. I was definitely not expecting that. Beautifully done. Next up, we see this beautiful mini bob style. She does have the bangs going there in the front. Absolutely gorgeous haircuts. And then we have someone rocking a shoulder length bob style. She's so much volume and body within her hair. She looks absolutely beautiful. And then we see another big transformation. So she starts off with a blonde pixie. Looks like she has beige blonde. Now I actually really like this color, but let's see what she ends up doing. Oh, wow. So they did put in a nice undercut with this. Little design to go in there in the back as well. And of course she went darker. Very nice. And then we have someone trying out the box bob trend. So I was saying this in a couple of videos ago, but the boxy bob style is very popular right now. We're seeing a lot of square shapes when it comes to bobs. And she has this really pretty platinum icy color for her hair. And the stylist does add some beautiful bangs to help bring into that square shape. And this is a very edgy, modern style that really gives a nod to the 1920s bob hairstyle. Beautiful. Absolutely love this look. So we have another big chop transformation here. So the stylist just kind of chops away at the hair. Oh, very nice pixie style. Now she went super short with this makeover. Nice bangs to frame out the pixie. Gorgeous. So I hope you guys have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.